Are you looking for a fast, reliable SSD with plenty of storage, without blowing your entire budget? Then stick around until the end, because today we're checking out a model that promises exactly that. And yes, it even brings PCIe Gen 4 power, at a price that's hard to ignore. The Crucial P310 is a classic NVMe M.2 SSD in the 2280 form factor, perfect for compact desktop PCs and notebooks. With a full 2 terabytes of storage, you get plenty of room for games, programs, videos, or large project files. No constant cleaning, no storage stress. What's really surprising though is the speed. According to the manufacturer, the P310 reaches up to 7,100 megabytes per second, approximately 6.9 gigabytes per second in sequential reading. Seriously fast and fully in PCIe Gen 4 territory. Sequential writing reaches up to 6,000 megabytes per second, approximately 5.7 gigabytes per second. For most use cases, gaming or creative workloads, that's more than enough. There is one drawback though. The P310 uses budget-friendly QLC flash memory. That means performance can dip during very large data transfers or long sustained write operations, especially because there's no onboard DRAM cache. Instead, the drive relies on the system's RAM. This works fine in practice, but it's not as fast as SSDs equipped with DRAM. However, the SSD really shines when it comes to price to performance. For a Gen 4 SSD with 2 terabytes of storage, you get a lot for your money. Ideal for gamers, home office setups, or anyone who wants a fast system without spending a fortune. And with a 5-year warranty, Crucial clearly shows confidence in this product. Always a good sign for buyers aiming for long-lasting hardware. So, if you're looking for a fast SSD with plenty of space, PCIe Gen 4 support, and a price that won't wreck your bank account, the P310 is absolutely worth a look. As always, you'll find all the info and deals below in the video description. So what speaks in favor of the Crucial P310 and what doesn't? Pros: very high read speed, 2 terabyte storage, plenty of room for everything, PCIe 3.0 compatible, great price to performance ratio. Cons: no DRAM cache, performance drop possible with heavy data loads. QLC flash, not ideal for constant professional workloads. Fast, but not top tier among PCIe Gen 4 SSDs. If speed matters to you, but you don't want to pay twice as much for a premium SSD, the Crucial P310 is a strong option. It offers plenty of storage, solid performance, and all of that at a very fair price. Check out the offers linked below in the description. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and of course subscribe so you won't miss future tech reviews.